But let me show you how easy this is. Now I know my washer and dryer is going to be 29 inches deep. The inside of the pan is 31 inches deep, so that's perfect. So that means I want 4 inches from my vent over here. Can you get close to this? 4 inches from my vent is going to come out of here to go behind and catch my dryer, because I want my dryer on the left-hand side instead of the right. It's positioned better for my wife to do the laundry, once again, on the left-hand side. So I'm going to pull this out. The ideal inches or dimension to pull this pan out from the back all the way to the face of the pan. So from the back floor panel there, or kick trim I like to call it, I pull it out 2 inches to the edge. So it's just 2 inches. And I measure in each corner, make sure that's 2 inches. And once again, on the other side in the corner, I measured out, make sure that's exactly 2 inches. Once again, that'll allow for my washer, if it's 28 inches from the front, here, it'll allow the 4 inches to run behind the dryer vent to run from this side, where my tape measures all the way to the back to my dryer. But you can see it's so simple to install, and it fits perfectly. The other nice thing about it is, as I mentioned before, it's translucent. So you can just see where the drain hole is going to be. If you get a close-up of this, see this here? You can see the drain hole right through the pan, which is nice. And you can also just see the flooring, so that way you can see a beautiful flooring you just had installed in your new home. And this is our new home, so you can see the flooring just through it, you know, so that makes it really, really nice. But let me show you. The pan is in center in place. I'm just going to grab my Sharpie pin, okay, kneel down, and put a dot right where the center is, which is nice. You can drill, these have these little flutes here to strengthen the pan, but they only come up, it looks like a 1/16 of an inch high, but it helps strengthen it on the width wise, plus it looks nice, you know. And what's also nice is they're so low that the lever legs on the bottom, the rubber part, even if you set it on top of there, it's not going to throw the level off of it, you know, off. It'll always be level because the rubber will seat itself on the legs, so that makes it really nice. So they've really done the homework for you on these pans with Driptite. You know, it's nice to get something that never breaks. It's hard to find anything these days that's unbreakable that'll last you a lifetime of your home. But here, let me show you how easy it is to install again. So the dots, I put a dot right there in the center, and I got my drill and my bit. I picked up from your home improvement store. We needed one anyway with our new home, so I also picked up the bit. And once again, these bits were $7 to $8 at Home Depot, but they also sell them online at driptite.com. But anyway, let me show you. There's the dot. So I just get the pan and I drill right in the center. Just like that. And now I pick the pan up. And you can see that this just takes minutes to install it. I take off a little bit of the plastic there, but you see how easy that was to drill through? And this is thick, unbreakable plastic. It'll never break. And it never dries out and gets brittle or cracks from the heat from the laundry room, or if you have a window with the sun shining through, it'll never dry out and get brittle. Such as these other pans like this that we pick up at the home improvement store or online. These will break probably within 1 year. Plus they're too tall for the front loaders with the pedestal drawers. But let me show you. This comes with the pan when we purchased it. This is the drain fitting. Let me go ahead and get this. Now the drain fitting is made of PVC. This goes through the back. Let me show you and get you on this side. Get a shot of this. This goes here. And it fits just perfectly. Nice and snug. Then I get the washer and put it there. Then I get the nut which seats it properly, and I screw it down nice and tight. Just like that. Now, I will go ahead and drop it in. As you can see, there is no gimmick or anything like that. How do you install this? I mean, it is that simple. You go ahead and put it in. I'm going to set it in place here. I will find the drain hole. That we put it in. And I'm going to center it with my tape measure. And that's it. It's in place. And please remember that these come in 3 different sizes. The unbreakable combo pan, which fits both washer and dryer in there. Then the unbreakable single pan, if you have a stackable unit with the pedestal drawers or without. And then they also have a mini size European style unbreakable washer pan, and that fits more of the smaller European style washers like Bosch, Electrolux, and Miele. But again, this will fit all the major brands: Samsung, Maytag, LG, Whirlpool, Kenmore, Bosch, and it'll fit the Maytag. Anyway, I just wanted to make sure I included all the major brands it fits, but there you go. It's installed easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you can install your washer and dryer. But I thank you so much. I just wanted to let you know there is something out there again that you can purchase. You can purchase this online at driptite.com, or you can purchase it at your local plumbing supply stores such as Hajoka and Ferguson, or just your smaller mom and pop stores, I like to say, that's in your local city that sells plumbing supplies. If they don't have it, remember they could always call Driptite and then to stock it for them. But at those contractor stores, such as the plumbing supply stores, you need a contractor's license to purchase this there. But don't worry, again, you can order this right online if you don't have a contractor's license, and they'll ship it directly to your door. But they're always in stock. I had called before we had ordered this, and they said they were always in stock. But again, now you have something you can have installed that'll fit your front loaders with the pedestal drawers or without, and it'll last you a lifetime.